Hasita Avalokam. Here it's Hasita Avalokam. And here it's Smita Nirikshana. Smita Nirikshana. And I'm sure, although the acharyas haven't explained, each one of these words has so many nuances of meaning. Smita Nirikshana, because the translation in English, no matter what you say, it ends up smiling glances. But there's totally different words. Smita Nirikshana. So what's the difference between Smita and Hasita? Because what is the difference? And Bhakti-rasamrita Sindhu, in the chapter about Gonarati, Rupa Goswami Pada is talking about Hasyarati, one of the 7 secondary moods of love that rise in the course of the main loving mood towards the beloved. One of them is called Hasya, which means laughter. And then he defines different degrees and different intensities of smiling and laughing. So he says, Smita, Hasita, Atihasita, Prasita. There's different degrees and levels. So the very beginning one is Smita. And Smita and Hasyarati, as a Gonarati, Smita means not showing the teeth, smiling but not showing the teeth. So there's Smita Nirikshana. So just the word Smita means that. So they're saying, your eyes are smiling, your lips are closed. Here they're saying, in this verse, they're saying, Hasita Avalokam. So obviously from verse 38 to verse 39, Krishna's making some change in his facial expressions. The ice is starting to melt. It took a lot of tivra kam. It took a lot of the fire of the gopis' exasperations and utter desperate statements of begging Krishna for his mercy and acceptance. So Krishna is now he's Hasita Alokam. His eye, before it was Smita Nirikshana. So his eyes were looking at them with some acceptance and a slight smile, not showing the teeth. Now Krishna's eyes have expanded and included some laughter. So now Hasita means, Hasita in Gonaras, in the Laughing Ecstasy chapter, means that you're smiling and your teeth are partially visible. So the gopis, no one can read the face of a lover better than a beloved. So the gopis are seeing a change in Krishna's face, seeing your face encircled by curling locks of hair, and your cheeks beautified by your earrings, your lips full of nectar, and your smiling glances. Because now Krishna's eyes are starting to indicate acceptance. Bhavatu. Yes. And they're feeling, so that's why they saw in his eyes his intentions. So then they start reminding of all his beauty, of Sham Sundar, the beautiful beauty of Sham, and how they're captivated and enchanted by his beauty. And also seeing your 2 beautiful and imposing arms, which take away our fear. Data abhayam, bhujadanda, databayam bhujadanda. Your bhujadanda, the danda, the bhuja, the strong pillars, and the lati of your arms, the danda, is datavam. It's taking away our abhayam, all of our fear. And your chest, which is the only source of pleasure for the goddess of fortune. Vaksha Shriyeka. Vaksha Shriyeka Ramanam. So now they're getting very specific in their tivra kam. In their burning desires, they're giving intimations about what is on their mind, which has been on Krishna's mind the whole time. And he's the one that called them with his flute. And the gopis didn't call Krishna with their venas. They didn't play their venas to call Krishna, but Krishna played his flute. Because Krishna, he himself was burning in the fire of desire in the Gunja. So he played his Murli. Thus, we must become your maidservants. Again, bhavama dasya. We must become your dasis. Become your